a Young diagram. A Young diagram is an arrangement of boxes in rows and columns. For example, like this. The boxes are left justified and the rows are left justified, and the numbers of boxes in a row must not increase when we go down from top to bottom. So this is a Young diagram, and we can turn this Young diagram into a Young tableau. Oops. Young tableau by writing numbers into the boxes. The numbers have to be increasing along columns, so like this, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, for example. They have to be non-decreasing in rows, so columns increasing and non-decreasing in rows. So we could have 2, 2, 3, 4 here. Could have another 3 here, maybe a 5 here. So now this could be another 4 here and maybe a 7 here. So now we have increasing numbers in columns and non-decreasing numbers in rows.